Hey guys, this is Lester here, and this is my current system, and this is what I'll be upgrading to. As you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 USB 2.0s with 4 USB 3.0s along with the 2 at the front. So that's 6. I've got 1, 2, 3 PCI times 16 slots. Got the i5 processor here, and the Corsair Vengeance RAM. So I'm going with a sort of blue theme, blue LEDs, blue LED fan, and then the Corsair H60. So going to get building this. That is my setup at the moment. Got this as well. XL mouse mat, keyboard and mouse, pretty sweet. I've just installed my RAM, as you can see, and also my CPU and my H60. Need to put the fan on. Maybe show you a bit more ports. I've got 2 3 GB per second SATA ports, and or sorry, 4, and then 4 6 GB per second ones. I think that's an Intel controller one, and then I've got 2 Ethernet Intel gigabyte and Asus obviously, and then full 7.1 audio. As you can see, we've got the push and pull here, push through the radiator and pull out, giving the hydrostatic pressure for these. Two 4 gig modules, Corsair Vengeance, TX 850, GTS 450 still in use, but hopefully getting a new one soon, and 1 TB hard drive. It looks pretty cool when you turn it on, because this, I think it's a Northbridge chipset. Yeah, it has blue LEDs and it lights that Asus logo up. And then, yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my build series, and I will be back with more videos with benchmarks and stuff. I got a Zoner DS sound card, if you can see, and I have 5.1 surround sound speaker set, and basically it decodes any gaming audio or music into 5.1 sound and gives it through all my speakers. It was on offer, so yeah, I bought it. That wee cable there is for my front header, so when I plug something in, it can automatically switch over. If you can see the light off that Asus logo, and then them little red LEDs at the bottom. Basically, when it goes into post, it does a load of checks, and if it sticks on a number, you can type it in on the Asus website and it'll tell you what's wrong, basically. Yeah, so this is my final video. Managed to get some the cables jammed up there. In my next video I should be doing some temperatures and hopefully get benchmarks. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my build series, or will build, and I'll be back with a video soon.